Hello everybody, this is Shane Graham. Today I'd like to share with you an exercise called the 16th note grid exercise. This is an exercise that will help fuel your creativity to be able to create any kind of drum beat you want with variations on the kick. So we'll be focusing on the kick today. You can also apply this to the snare if you'd like. So what we're going to do is we're going to cycle through the single partials, then the double partials, then the triple partials of the 16th notes, and then all four, all the variations. So we start with the downbeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we switch to the E, 1 E, 2 E, 3 E, 4 E, switch to the and, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, switch to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, then the doubles, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, 1 E, 2 E, 3 E, 4 E, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1. Triples, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. 1 E, a 2 E, a 3 E, a 4 E, a 1. Then lastly, all four. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Okay, so without further ado, let me demonstrate for you. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful for you. This is my first time making a video and I plan to do much more of these. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like this, and please let me know in the comments how I can improve this and any topics you'd like to see me cover. Additional ways you can work on this exercise are with the metronome applications. So instead of just placing the metronome on the quarter notes as 1, 2, 3, 4, you can move the metronome to just be on the half notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just the whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I recommend sticking to each variation of the exercise for at least 4 bars until it's comfortable. But use your intuition to help guide you, okay? And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.